everybody. River, say hey. Hey. We are in the beautiful town of Bremen, aka, if you're from West Georgia, the bubble. Gotta always pick at the people that I know that are from Bremen. But we're doing a little impromptu railfanning today, aren't we, River Joe? He had to go to the doctor this morning, but everything is good. And the signal here at Bremen, looking towards Temple, is a green signal. So we're gonna do a little railfanning here today in Bremen. Only in Bremen, Georgia, do they play Elton John on the streets, River Joe. There it goes. River, we were just in there eating. We just barely saw that one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Remember, when you're railfanning, make sure you have a scanner. We sat there for 30 minutes and ate nothing. Walk out, boom, there's the train. Always have your scanner. And just like a Southern gospel song, let's sing another verse. Now, River Joe, we're gonna watch a train. We're in Tallapoosa, where we ate breakfast, and sitting here close to Main Street, the signal behind me just went to red over yellow. So that presumably means there's going to be a train going into the siding here in Tallapoosa, because I know that Amtrak is down the road close to Temple. So looks like we might get to see two trains here, River Joe. How cool is this? Is this cool? Now we get to watch what train?
The owl.
Say Amtrak. River. River. It was only 30 seconds past. And here's Amtrak.
I want it.
Say Amtrak.